What's up, YouTube? This is Brian B. Basson, and today I'm showing you my homemade Livewell. As you can see, we have some PVC pipe running. Each of these pipes has little holes drilled in them. Have these suction cups back here that I super glued down because I didn't want to put too many holes in this cooler. Have a little bilge pump down there with suction cups. And you have our ends to connect to the batteries. And yeah, this is a 70 quart cooler, so it should be able to fit probably 5 large baths in it. So I'm about to turn it on. Up here, I got some Velcro that I put on the bottom of the battery, so that way when it's sitting in the boat, you just stick it up here, it won't slide around. You can still hook it up like this. Right there. Like there. And just like that. See? Holds the battery. The pump works. You can still close the lid. It gets a lot quieter. Then I put these other Velcro up here to make it a lid because it didn't come with any clamps, like to clamp it down. So I basically just put these 2 Velcro straps through this, like this. Well, there's one strap, I just put both ends through it. Then I wrap this end around the inside. Just keep wrapping it. And tighten it. And again like that. And boom, now you have a lid. You want to take it off? Unwrap it a little bit. Up. Open up. I also made these little cold tags right here. Little DIY cold tags. So you can just drop them in there. Boom. And go fast. Look, see what size it is. Go bass up. Drop in there. For a smaller cooler, you could probably find this kit on Amazon for like $40. But the length of the tubing is pretty much only like this long. Like it comes with the same pump, this tube, but the actual PVC pipe is only this long. So this will work great for like a smaller cooler. You just put it right here, but I got a larger cooler, so I had to go buy these separate and join them together. Yep. Also created these little wheels to put on the bottom of the cooler to make it easier to roll around. I'm gonna buy 2 more of them. And how I got them attached without drilling holes in the bottom of the cooler was basically the same way I did the battery, was just put Velcro on it, Velcro on the bottom of the cooler, and just attach them. I could detach them when I need to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the homemade DIY Livewell. For any questions, feel free to DM me, leave comments, and yeah, like, follow, and share.